Product photography is changing fast, and these free AI tools in 2026 can completely replace traditional photo shoots. Start by opening your browser and searching for Leonardo AI, leonardo.ai. Once the website opens, upload your product image and tap on Confirm. Then write a detailed prompt describing how you want your final product photo to look, including background, lighting, shadows, and overall professional style. You can even take help from ChatGPT to create a better prompt. After that, change the image ratio according to your needs, tap on Generate, and wait while the AI creates high-quality product images. Within moments, your enhanced product visuals will be ready to download. Leonardo AI is popular because it allows both text-to-image and image-to-image creation with strong creative control and consistent professional results. The second powerful tool is Gemini Nano Banana, Google's advanced AI image generation and editing system available inside Gemini. It allows you to upload photos and transform them using simple text instructions. From changing backgrounds and lighting to blending multiple images into one creative scene. The tool understands natural language prompts very accurately and can recreate images with realistic details, making it extremely useful for product visuals and creative marketing images. The last and final tool is Ideogram, ideogram.ai, one of the best AI generators for creating clean, high-quality marketing visuals. Simply write a detailed prompt, choose your preferred image ratio, and let the AI generate multiple product image options automatically. Ideogram is especially strong at creating visually appealing compositions and accurate text inside images, which makes it perfect for ads, thumbnails, and e-commerce product photos. After generation, just select your favorite image and download it, giving you studio-quality product photography created entirely with AI.